Welcome to the White Belt training. The first words you're going to hear are from AI. This is generated from a project you will complete at the end of the hands-on session. Let's turn it over to AI.
This is the brief on advanced AI skills for marketers. All right, today we're diving into the White Belt series on advanced AI training. We're going to show you analytical marketers how to stop using these large language models like a simple search bar and really start using them as powerful agents for strategy, for research, and even for audience segmentation. First, you've got to change how you think about AI. It's not a regular computer. It's more of an intuition machine. You see? It works on probability and patterns, and its most fascinating trick? Creating personas. This is why the same AI can give you completely opposite answers. It all depends on the context you give it. Getting that right is everything. Second, if you want high-quality, non-generic marketing ideas, you need to master what's called context engineering. Your prompt basically tells the AI which specialized persona to put on. So you can steer it by feeding it high-quality jargon, maybe like Bayesian inference, and by wrapping expert docs in document tags. That's how you activate its expertise. And finally, how do you get it to use your proprietary data? Well, that's where Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, comes in. This is a game changer. RAG lets you combine the AI's power with your own marketing content. That's your huge competitive edge. For example, the Claritas case study fed an AI thousands of data points to create these amazing chattable personas, like cruising into retirement, letting them run virtual focus groups super fast. So, once you understand that AI is probabilistic and you master the context, you can turn a simple chatbot into a real strategic partner for deep analytical work.
So there you have it. AI generated content from all of this training series in the White Belt. We're excited that you're diving in. This should take about 8 hours in total, including the hands-on exercises, educational experiences, and you recording yourself going through the 12 skills that you will need to master for your white belt. If you look through this list of skill sets and you're like, I already know how to do that, then you can jump straight to the white belt testing and go ahead and record yourself doing the different steps to qualify for the white belt and then move on to the yellow belt, green belt. The skills we are testing for in the white belt levels are 1. Prompting with context, persona, and output expectations. 2. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. 3. Notifications and tasks. 4. Deep research. 5. Canvas. 6. Image generation. 7. Computer vision. 8. Projects with instructions and documents. 9. GPTs. 10 gems from Google, similar to GPTs, but available in a free tier. 11 Notebook LM, also from Google and also free, including mind map, podcast, and video. 12 personalization settings and temporary chat. We'll be using OpenAI's ChatGPT paid version, and we suggest the Teams or Enterprise Edition, which keeps your data out of the training set. We'll also be using Google's Gemini, which is available in a free tier that includes gems, which are similar to GPTs. Both are the smartest models currently available and are among the most widely used. The training will feature content drawn from the AI Conundrum. This is a book published last year by MIT, which I co-authored with my son Caleb Briggs, the lead author. I had the privilege of supporting his training programs with the nonprofit trade group MMA Global and their Decoding AI for Marketing series. We also have content from OpenAI interweaved into the 101, 102, and advanced prompting classes in the white belt. The yellow belt will feature Caleb's twin brother, Jared Briggs, as we go into workflows. I had the pleasure of working with Jared on AI projects for Claritas during his internship. And since then, he has blown me away with his automated AI workflows that he's created for marketing, sales, and finance teams. He has expanded his expertise considerably and will share how you can apply workflows within your business. At Claritas, we have an AI guild that leads our AI hackathons, as well as production AI applications. If you have not yet conducted AI hackathons or formed an AI guild within your company, I highly suggest you considering doing so. In the more advanced belts, you'll begin to hear from these thought leaders and practitioners to help raise your AI capability. Now, returning to the white belt training. As a preview, the ChatGPT 101 series is going to go through 20 different elements of ChatGPT that you see here, from the interface to document processing to real-time search, visual capabilities, and personalization. The 102 series will go deeper into 6 main tasks with pause points so that you can make sure that you've got mastery of these, things like notification, deep research, Canvas, projects, GPTs, and connectors. We also will have a session about prompting, which begins in the first series where you get to see what AI strengths and weaknesses are. And it will bookend the ChatGPT 101 and 102 series with another session where we go deeper on prompting to help you create the best GPTs and projects and ultimately set you up to be effective in using AI for workflow. A quick overview: expect that the time for these first several sessions will take somewhere around 3 hours. And then we have some hands-on exercises and image generation, personalization projects, and custom GPT. And then the white belt testing are these 12 tests here. Each of them will take a couple of minutes, in total about an hour worth of time for the testing component. You will leave with a GPT and Notebook LM with all of the notes, all the transcripts, all the materials. The last point is the white belt is foundational. We will build on some of these hands-on exercises in the yellow, green, brown, and black belt. We look forward to meeting you on the other side.